Good morning, student. This is chapter number 3, admission of a partner. Topic is accounting treatment of goodwill. Under accounting treatment of goodwill, subtopic is when incoming partner bring his share of goodwill premium in kind. This is lecture number 19. Sometimes the incoming partner brings his share of goodwill in the form of assets instead of the form of cash. So this is known as goodwill brought by new partner in kind. Following journal entries are passed in such cases. First journal entry is assets account DR to premium for goodwill account being goodwill share brought in by incoming partner. Second journal entry will be same as we have discussed in previous lecture. Premium for goodwill account for distribution of goodwill. Journal entry will be premium for goodwill account DR to old partner capital account. It will shared by old partner in sacrifice ratio. Goodwill credited to be goodwill credited to old partner capital account. This journal entry will pass in case of when new partner bring goodwill in kind. In kind means he will bring goodwill in form of assets, not in form of cash. Now see some illustration. Suppose X and Y are partner in a firm in the ratio of 1:1. Z is admitted for 1/3 share, and question says new profit sharing ratio will be equal among X, Y and Z. Z brought cash rupees 8,000 stock rupees 9,000 and furniture rupees 13,000 for his share of goodwill. Question also says prepare journal entry, past journal entries. Now answer will be, first we have to calculate sacrifice ratio. Old ratio is also given and new ratio is also given. New profit sharing ratio will be equal, so it will be 1:1:1. Therefore, first we have to calculate X sacrifice. X sacrifice equal to 1/2 minus 1/3. It will be 1/6, and Y sacrifice equal to 1/2 minus 1/3. It will be 1/6 also. Therefore, sacrifice ratio between X and Y will be 1:1. 1/6 is to 1/6. It will be 1:1. Now journal entry will be cash account DR, stock account DR, furniture account DR, to premium for goodwill account. Cash is given 8,000, stock 9,000 and furniture 13,000. Total will be 30,000. This amount is for premium for goodwill only, so I will distribute premium for goodwill. Second entry will be premium for goodwill account, premium for goodwill account DR, to X capital account and to Y capital account. 30,000 will shared by X and Y in sacrifice ratio, that is 1:1, means 15,000 and 15,000. Now see some other example. Suppose A and B are partner in a firm in the ratio of 2:1. C and D are admitted as new partner. C and D are admitted as new partner, and new profit sharing ratio will be 4:2:3:1. Goodwill of the firm valued rupees 30,000. This is not for partner, this is firm's goodwill. Now C brings 40,000 rupees, 40,000 cash and 5,000 rupees, 5,000 stock besides his share of goodwill in cash. Means goodwill of cash will brought by C except this amount, and D brings 10,000 rupees, 10,000 cash and rupees 8,000 furniture toward his capital and goodwill. Now, first we have to calculate C's share of goodwill and D's share of goodwill. Question says give necessary journal entries. I repeat once again. Question: A and B are partner in a firm in the ratio of 2:1. C and D are new partners. New profit sharing ratio will be 4:2:3:1. Goodwill of the firm valued 30,000. C brings 40,000 cash and 5,000 stock besides his share of goodwill in cash. Now D brings 10,000 as capital cash and 8,000 as in form of furniture toward his share of capital and goodwill both. But C brings besides his share of goodwill. That means this amount is only for capital, and C have to bring amount of goodwill in cash. Now answer will be, first we have to calculate C's share of goodwill. C's share of goodwill equal to 30,000 into C's share will be 3/10. 3/10. It will be 9,000, and D's share of goodwill equal to 30,000 into 1/10. So it will be 3,000. Now sacrifice ratio. I also explain that C will bring 9,000 more in cash for goodwill, because question says 40,000 cash and 5,000 stock is for capital only. So C brings 9,000 more. D share of goodwill 3,000 is included in this amount, because D bring 10,000 cash and 8,000 furniture for both goodwill and capital. Now I will calculate age sacrifice. Age sacrifice, because new ratio and old ratio both are given. 2/3 minus 4/10, it will be 8/30. And B sacrifice will be 1/3 minus 2/10. It will be 4/30. Therefore sacrifice ratio will be 8 is to 4 equal to 2 is to 1. Now journal entry will be journal entries stock cash stock account dr cash account dr to seize capital account to premium for goodwill account. $49,000 5,000 stock will be 5,000, cash will be 49,000, and seized capital will be 45,000, and premium for goodwill will be 9,000. This journal entry is for C. Now I will record for D. Cash account dr furniture account dr to D's capital account to premium for goodwill account. Amount will be 10,000, furniture 8,000, premium for goodwill will be 3,000, and remaining balance will be capital, so it will be 15,000. Now premium for goodwill account will shared by old partner, so journal entry will be premium for goodwill account dr to A's capital account to B's capital account. Total amount for goodwill C plus D, it will be 12,000 because 9,000 share for C and 3,000 share for D. Total will be 12,000, and it will distribute between 2:1. This is sacrifice ratio. We all know about this. It will be 8,000 and 4,000. Now see next example also, illustration. Next or illustration 3 of this topic. Suppose X and Y are partner. X and Y are partner in a firm in the ratio of series to 2 on 10 March 2004. They admit Z as new partner in a firm for 3/13 share in the profits. The new profit sharing ratio will be 5:3. Z contribute the following assets toward his capital and his share of goodwill. Z contribute a stock 40,000, debtor 60,000, land 1 lakh, plant and machinery rupees 60,000. On the date of admission of Z, the goodwill of the firm is valued at 5,20,000, which does not appear in the book. Pass necessary journal entries in the books of the firm of Z admission. Question says, I repeat once again, X and Y are partnered in a firm in the ratio of 3:2. Z is admitted for 3/13 share and new profit sharing ratio will be 5:3. Z brings following assets toward for his share of goodwill and capital. Now first I will calculate sacrifice ratio. So X sacrifice equal to 3/5 minus 5/13. It will be 14/65. Now Y's sacrifice equal to 2/5 minus 5/13. So it will be 1/65. Therefore sacrifice ratio of X and Y will be 14:1. Now second is calculation of goodwill. So Z share of goodwill equal to 5,20,000 into Z share is given 3/13 and it will be 1,20,000. Now journal entry will be, first journal entry, stock account DR, debtors account DR, land account DR, plant and machinery account DR, to Z's capital account to premium for goodwill account. I have calculated premium for goodwill 1,20,000 and this is given in question. Amount of stock is 40,000, debtor 60,000, land 1 lakh and plant and machinery 60,000. So when I will deduct 1,20,000 from total assets, it will remain 1,40,000 for capital. Now I will distribute amount of goodwill which has been brought by Z. So journal entry will be premium for goodwill account dr to X capital account to Y capital account. Amount is 1,20,000 and it will share in the ratio of 14:1 because this is sacrifice ratio. So it will be 8,000 and 1,12,000. Thank you.